You are watching Slick Media TV, your number one source for news that cuts through the noise and brings you what really matters. Today, President Emmerson Mnangagwa made a bold statement aimed at the media. In his speech, he said,
"The past trends where media practitioners competed for prominence on the degree to which they demonized our country has no place in Zimbabwe we fought for."
Let's break it down. The president is calling out journalists and media houses that, in his view, build their platforms by painting Zimbabwe in a bad light, locally or internationally. He is saying that kind of journalism doesn't belong in the new Zimbabwe he envisions. He went on to say, "We are building the Zimbabwe we all want, including the media. Content that harms our country and fellow citizens has no space in our constitutional democracy under my watch."
We are building the Zimbabwe we all want, including the media. Content that harms our country and the fellow citizens has no space in our constitutional democracy under my watch.
In short, he wants the media to support national development, not sabotage it with what he sees as harmful narratives. And here is the warning shot.
The law and justice system will take its course on all those who infringe on the rights of others on media platforms.
So under Mnangagwa'S watch, the justice system will be used to hold anyone accountable who uses media to spread falsehoods or violate other people's rights. Whether you see this as a push for responsibility or a crackdown on press freedom, that's for Zimbabweans to debate. But one thing is clear, the government wants tighter control on how the country is portrayed in the media. Stay tuned to Slick Media for more analysis and updates on the developing story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.